Hey friends, Kevin here with this Schumacher battery charger I just got in. I did buy this myself. Here's the reason why. I have a vehicle, something got left on, it drained this battery all the way down to nothing. And my old battery charger decided to go kaput at the same time. So I ordered this one. I know several people that have had really good luck using this Schumacher brand. So let's get this thing out, get it hooked up, and see how good it really is. Instruction manual on the bottom. The print is actually large enough to read, which is always appreciated. It does have a chart with all the status codes. The first thing I notice is this thing has some long battery cables. That's always appreciated also. Clips seem pretty good, have a nice spring to them. Also looks like they've included a nice long power cord. Looks good and simple, has a bunch of protections built into it. Let's go hook it up. Okay, so here we are plugged in. We're not hooked to the battery yet. You can see there are different things we can do. We can select the battery type, AGM, different things. Of course, this is just a plain lead acid battery. We can choose our charging speeds. Let's get this hooked to the battery. This should tell us what the condition of the battery is right now. We are at a whopping 4.7. So this thing is in bad shape. It will tell us if we have the clamps reversed, which we don't. It will tell us if we have a bad battery and a real physical problem with the battery. It is not sensing that. We should be good to go. This is now switched up to a percentage that it's going to show us of charging. The yellow light means it is charging. So we'll just let it do its thing. You can hear it running a little bit now. It has been about 10 minutes. It has turned on the bad battery light and this SUL code. SUL is for this desulfification mode because this battery is in such bad shape, and it does say that it could take 8 to 10 hours for it to go through this mode and decide whether it is then going to be able to charge this battery. So it's interesting that this actually has this type of recondition feature built into it. It also says that bad battery light will be on while it is going through this desulfification mode, so that at this point is normal. It is a couple of hours later. It has gone through that process of fixing the battery. You notice the bad battery light is out, and it is now actually charging this battery. Looks like about 100 watts going in, and then it is showing that the battery is currently at 12 volts. So hopefully it has successfully repaired that battery. It is charging it. We'll find out in a few more hours. We'll hear that fan run. It does that automatically. It cuts on and off every few seconds as it needs to keep itself cool. It is the next day. Let's unplug this, plug it back in. Let it turn itself off. We should be good to go. Let's go put this thing in a vehicle. Battery back in, and yeah, it is about 26 Fahrenheit out here.